morning everybody, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, in today's class, we are going to discuss these essay writing tips and give some tips for writing essay. Essay writing is a very challenging task, complex task, especially in college and university. Although students write essay even in school levels, but they don't know basic rules, basic structures about writing essay. That's why their essays are not always successful. So in today's class, I'm going to give you some tips for writing essay. Tips for writing essay. Tips for writing essay. So especially I will give a basic idea, basic things. First of all, see title selection, introduction, body, conclusion. Okay, we already know these things because in essay we generally find these components, these parts in essay: title, introduction, body, paragraph, and conclusion. But here in today's class, I'm basically going to give you some idea what we do in writing introduction, what we do in writing body paragraph, and what we do in writing conclusion. So I will give you some ideas. You can see I have given some tips in this chart. While writing introduction of an essay, you have to write three basic things. They are hook, background information, and thesis statement. Look here. So these three things you have to write while writing introduction. So what is hook? Hook is the first sentence of introduction paragraph in our essay. So what is the nature of hook? What type of hook we have to write? Hook is general sentence. It's in general nature. Its nature is general, not specific. For example, if you are writing essay about a beautiful place, for example, Pokhara. Pokhara is beautiful city of Nepal. If you are going to write essay about Pokhara, your hook is like this. You can make hook like this. Pokhara is a beautiful place of Nepal. Pokhara is a beautiful place of Nepal. So it can be hook. Why it is hook? Because it is not specific. It is general in nature. Beautiful means many things are included within that beautiful. That's why you have to write appropriate hook while writing essay. In introduction paragraph, hook is very important. It plays significant role. After hook, you have to give basic information about the topic. For example, here is Pokhara. So you have to give basic information about Pokhara. Pokhara is the lake city of Nepal. Okay, it is about 200 kilometers far from Kathmandu Valley. Okay, so it lies in the Western Development Region. It is the headquarters of Western Development Region. These are the basic information of Pokhara. So after basic information, you have to write thesis statement. Thesis statement means writer's opinion, writer's view. It means what the writer is going to tell about the topic, what the writer is going to say about the topic. For example, in this case, you can say like this: Pokhara is rich. Pokhara is rich in terms of tourism, natural beauty, natural beauty and and culture. Look here. So it can be your thesis statement. So what is thesis statement? Thesis statement means what the writer is going to say about Pokhara in this case. He or she is going to say Pokhara is great in terms of tourism, Pokhara is great in terms of natural beauty, and Pokhara is great in terms of culture. So the writer is going to prove this in this essay. And after that, after the introduction, you have to go in body paragraph. In writing body paragraph, in your body paragraph, you have to fulfill these three things. Look here. Topic sentence, supporting detail, and example. Topic sentence, supporting detail, and example. And how many paragraphs you are going to make in your essay? It depends on you, how long you are going to make your essay. For example, if you are going to make two paragraphs, so there what can you do? So you have to write two topic sentences. In each body paragraph, there is one topic sentence. There is one topic sentence in one paragraph. There is another topic sentence in another paragraph. It means one idea is explained, elaborated in one body paragraph, and another idea is explained in another body paragraph. So in this case, for example, look here, how many paragraphs you will make in your essay about Pokhara? 3 body paragraph. Why 3 body paragraph? Because in your thesis statement you have already mentioned that you are going to write essay about Pokhara, including tourism, natural beauty, and culture. On the basis of these 3 points, you are going to say that Pokhara is beautiful. That's why in one body paragraph you can write about tourism. In another body paragraph, you can write about natural beauty, and in next body paragraph, you can write about culture. So in describing body paragraph, what you have to do? First of all, make topic sentence. And after that, you have to write supporting details or supporting sentence and examples. You have to give also examples of each topic. Then your essay will be great. And while connecting one idea to another idea, it means supporting sentence. When you write supporting sentence, supporting detail, while connecting one sentence to another sentence, you have to use transitions, connecting words. For example, although, even though, in spite of, furthermore. Okay, in addition to, these are connecting words. First, after that, names. These are connecting words. If you use connecting words, then your essay will be coherent. Okay, unity. It will maintain your unity in your essay. That's why you have to try to connect supporting sentence by using transitions. So using transition is a great task in your essay writing. And next one is, in each body paragraph you describe one idea. When you describe one idea, there you have to give example of that idea. Okay, for example, if you are describing about tourism in one paragraph, you have to give a lot of examples of tourism in Pokhara. What are the examples that support tourism? You have to give that type of detail, examples. And next one is, in concluding paragraph, you should not introduce any new topic. Don't introduce new topic in concluding paragraph. In concluding paragraph, you have to restate the thesis statement. Restate means repeating. You have to repeat the idea, what you have expressed, what you have said in your thesis statement in introduction paragraph. And if you do that, your essay will be great. Your essay will be successful. That's why these are the basic things, and this idea will help you a lot to make you successful in your professional writing or academic field. For example, in future, you may be planning to appear in the test of IELTS or TOEFL, and this idea will give basic information. That's why keep this idea in your mind. So on the basis of this idea, I'm going to give you some homework for tomorrow's. Okay, now let's write homework. One question. I'll give one question for homework. You have to write essay. And in tomorrow's class, I will check your essay first of all, then I will continue my class. Okay, write an essay essay about a beautiful city, about a beautiful city that you like most, that you like most. Full stop. In your essay, try to use a lot of supporting details, reasonings and examples, and also use transitions. Okay, this was for today. Did you understand? Do you have any questions, any problem in this essay? Okay, is everything clear? Yes? Okay. Now you know everything about book, thesis statement, topic sentence? You know? Yes. Okay, thank you. This was for today.